Yo, what's up, everybody? Um, Man, seems like we've been having a lot of unboxings, baby. Um, Things came and I do not know what they are. Uh, really ain't got no gifts right now. Well, I say forget it. Let's just crack it open, see what it is. We'll figure it out then. Huh. Oh, hey, heck yes. Heck yes. Yeah. This is what I needed right here. This is what I needed. And since it came with the gas cap, so I got a key for both. Oh yeah. Only problem is if it don't fit. I know the key don't fit. I'm wondering if this is a seat lock. I probably have to go look. I think this is a seat lock. Hopefully it'll work on there. If it don't, then I just leave the one that's on there. That's simple. You know, because really all I need is the key. So, um, man, I had trouble finding the keys. Couldn't remember where I put them. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. I do not think that's gonna work. No, I'm not going to be able to do that. But that's cool. So like I said, all I really need was that the one for my ignition. The one for gas cap. Really, it's not needed. Not for me. I was taking this key off real quick. Then I have them together. There we go. Now we looking good. Yep. Said it once, I said it 1,000 times. You never know what you're gonna get from China. You're always having to modify it. 4 wires, that's good. Feels pretty light. Got the lock too. It feels pretty light. Must be plastic and aluminum. Yeah, she feel pretty light. That seat lock, I don't see me using that. And I'm gonna put that scrambler seat on there. I know why I don't know what the stuff is. I wasn't expecting it to come. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, oil filter. Oil filter. This isn't for me. This is for Chris. He asked me to order him one for his bike. He got a y'all seen the 2007 Honda. I'll call him and let him know that his part is in. Christmas, I gotta shake the box. Ain't nothing big because it's your bike. The box sure feel light. Okay. Oh, mirror. Let's get an idea of what it looks like. I'm trying to think. Left side or right side, you know? Let's go with left side. Let's see if we can get it in there real quick. See how she look on the bike. Hopefully y'all can see me. I gotta get that. I gotta get this bud in now. Okay. See how it fit in there. Yeah, kind of look like I'm gonna have a problem here. First thing is the screw is too big. So that's gonna need some adjustments. Right here on the edges of the screw. See, they have the lip on it, on that screw. And I'm going to bring him down. Either that or find another screw. The rubber gasket is too thick. But basically that's how it's gonna look right there. Yeah. I like it because it's not I like it because it's not what everybody and their mama got, you know. So we will make it fit. We will do some modifications. If you don't know anything, you should know that about me. I will make it fit. That I will do. Yeah, so this is gonna be one of them off cameras, and then I'll like bring you back when I'm either putting it in or through putting it in. Man, it's real heavy though. Real beefy. You can tell this is iron. This isn't plastic or aluminum. That's hefty. I like that. I do like that about it. It is hefty. So this is gonna be a short video. I'm probably gonna stitch it to another unboxing and just make the one unboxing instead of having multiple, because I have had a few unboxings. Yeah, just kind of rub that down a little bit and edge that down. I'll get it in there and I'll be able to show y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe.